Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Tantane vos generis tenuit fiducia vestri, iam caelum terumque meosine numine venti, miscere et tantas audetis tolere moles, quos ego sed motus praestat componere fluctus, post mihi non simili poena commissa luetis. Notice the ne here implies a yes or no question. So, does such great confidence of your race hold you? Neptune is addressing the winds here, so he's saying, does such great confidence of your kind hold you, winds? Already, winds, you have dared to mix heaven and earth without my divine power, and you have dared to raise such great masses? So he's asking, have you dared all this without my permission? I oughta blank you, or I oughta do something to you. Why I should to you guys, this part's hard to translate obviously because there's no verb here. He's saying I oughta whatever to you guys. Oh, you guys whom I should, and then he cuts himself off. He goes into another point. It's like he's so angry, he's like kind of saying why I oughta, and then he just breaks off and goes into something else. He calms himself down. He's about to say something bad about the winds. I'm going to do something to you guys. But he breaks himself off and he goes into this. But it is better to compose the wind or the waves having been moved. So he's saying, I'm mad at you guys. I'm going to hurt you guys. But first I need to calm down this storm that's raging. Afterwards, you will pay for your crimes with a not similar punishment to me. Your crimes to me with a not similar punishment. Now this phrase is a little bit strange, right? We've got a figure here known as litotes. Litotes, it's a strange word. Anyways, that is this not similar punishment. Litotes is whenever sort of like a double negative is used to increase the power of the phrase. So instead of saying with a unique punishment, he says a not similar punishment. So there's a double negative in there somehow, you know. He could have just said unique, but he says, I'm going to punish you guys with a not similar punishment. A punishment not experienced by anyone else, something unique to you guys. I'm going to punish you guys. That's what Neptune is saying to the winds. So up here he's saying like, wow, you guys have some real gall, you've got a lot of attitude, and why? I'm the divinity here. You did all this without my divine power? Neptune is clearly angry, and they've dared to do this. They've dared to mix the sky and the land, heaven and earth, with the storm, you know, heaven raining down upon the sea, and he calls them by name, winds. Do you dare to do all this? Neptune is clearly very angry with the winds, but first, before he gets to their punishment, he's got to calm down this raging storm.